You're welcome to SEO for Clients. SEO for Clients is a TechShoe initiative, and one of the things that we wanted to do with SEO for Clients was to offer some high quality services to our clients. We have been working on our own web products for the last 5 years, starting from 2003. There we realized that how difficult the things are, and we have experimented with a lot of things. Every single day was a new challenge. After working on web products for 5 years, then I shifted to the service industry. There I realized that how different is the web products, web development department, and the clients handling. Then I was not very happy with the client services that we were providing, so we had come with our own applications and our own systems so that we can offer the best services. But even after that, working for 1 year, I was not quite satisfied. Then I shifted and developed this SEO for Clients, where we could get all the SEO clients and the SEO companies together to develop a platform which can be helpful for both. But we started with that kind of a concept, but later on realized that we will have to offer the services by ourselves so that we can show the examples and take it forward. So at SEO for Clients, currently we are offering all the SEO services, which includes the PPC, all the web marketing services, which includes the SEO, the PPC, the SEM, SMM, everything that you talk about with respect to web marketing, you'll get it. And along with that, we do web development and web designing, because until and unless your product is not good, you won't be able to market it in a proper way. So our team is composed of 4 people for each project. One is from a content department, the other is from a PPC department and the SEO department, and the third person is basically from the link department. And the fourth person is coordinating and doing the on-page and the off-page optimization together. So this is how we formed the four group, and then we assign few projects to them, and then they manage it through Basecamp HQ, and the clients are given complete access to it. This is how we are taking forward the SEO for Clients. If you have any queries or concerns, you can just give us a call and see how an Indian web marketing company is doing everything in a much different way. The ROI is guaranteed, and we have done it for a few clients in last few months, and they're quite happy with us. I'm very glad that we were able to satisfy few clients rather than taking a large bulk of clients. So looking forward for a great season this year. Thank you for visiting SEO for Clients. Please sign up for the code or contact us for any other queries. Thank you so much.